guys, how's it going? What's going on? What's up YouTube? So, finally, time for reconstruction of my new two heroes, Angel and Nightingale. I hope I'll get new, nice skills for them, fingers crossed. Let's start from the Nightingale. Speaking about normal skills, the best option would be to get might or damage, pure damage, which gives 5%. Well, group might is okay as well, and skill damage, I guess same, not bad. Not the best option, but still okay. Before I back to Nightingale, I decided to reconstruct Angel. Firstly, try to get nice, normal skills. And the best options would be, of course, resistance, group might, HP maybe as well, not bad. Since she's tanky, you don't need damage might to her, like group stats or, resistance HP.
Okay guys, now let's sum up what I've got. Let's start from Nightingale. I have quite decent Nightingale now, as you can see. Skill damage is, like I said, it's okay. It's not the best option still, it's not might, it's not damage, but alright. And great and preemptive strike are a really good option there. And as for Angel, she's really good, Let's start from special skill. Preemptive strike is a really good option for her because of her second skill, Deadly Venom. And group resistance is perfect, group tactical is okay, not perfect but okay, and endless trial is a really good option, especially if she stands in front row. With all this, can I say that I was lucky? Probably not, because I spent quite a huge amount of crystals anyway, so yeah, my luck was average I suppose, but anyway, I'm happy that I've got decent 2 heroes now. Still, probably I'll try in the future to get more might or damage for Nightingale, but for now, yeah, like I said, I'm really happy.
Thanks for watching my video guys. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and I'll see you soon.